In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get started with MailerLite and take advantage of its powerful features. To begin, head to the MailerLite website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your company name, email address, and choose a secure password. Once you're all set, agree to the terms of use, hit Create My Account, and you're ready to go. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your control center where you can track your email campaign performance, monitor subscriber growth, and access key features. Key areas to focus on include: create and manage your email newsletters, import and segment your contact list for targeted campaigns, design sign-up forms to capture leads, set up automated email sequences to keep your audience engaged effortlessly. MailerLite comes with a variety of powerful tools that make email marketing a breeze. Use MailerLite's drag-and-drop editor to easily design emails. Whether you want to test different subject lines with A/B testing or automate RSS campaigns, the platform makes it simple to create professional-looking emails without needing any technical skills. Set up automated workflows to send emails based on user actions, like signing up for your newsletter or completing a purchase. Automation saves time and helps maintain engagement with your audience without any manual effort. Want to capture leads effectively? MailerLite lets you create stunning landing pages using customizable templates or a drag-and-drop builder. This feature is perfect for lead generation and growing your subscriber list. There are a few standout reasons why MailerLite is perfect for beginners. It's designed with ease of use in mind, so you don't need to be tech-savvy to navigate the platform. MailerLite's free plan offers core features like email automation and landing page creation, making it a great choice for small businesses and individual marketers. Create both embedded and pop-up forms to efficiently grow your subscriber base. MailerLite is an excellent choice for anyone starting their email marketing journey. With its easy-to-use interface, powerful features, and generous free plan, it's perfect for beginners and small businesses. For a deeper dive, be sure to check out our full video tutorials to guide you through each step in the setup process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.